Here's problem 1 from the 2022 AMC 8. The math team designed a logo shaped like a multiplication symbol, shown on a grid of 1-inch squares. What is the area of the logo? In square inches? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here's the logo on the grid. It's a times sign, made of 4 identical triangular arms that all meet at the center. To find the area, let's split it into simple pieces. In the middle there's a small square. Its diagonals each run 2 inches across. So its area is 1/2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 square inches. Now the 4 arms, they are all congruent, and each one covers 2 square inches of the grid. 4 arms at 2 each is 8 square inches. Adding everything up, the center square is 2. Plus the 4 arms make 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10 square inches. So the area of the logo is 10 square inches, which is choice A.